Okay, so let's say instead of filtering for the like females or something like that, we want to have a look in our database. We've had a lot of it. NAs in our gender column, and maybe there's a reason for this. And if there's lots of other data collected about this, then let's say maybe there's an individual going around these people's houses to go and collect this information, and they put their identification number on each of the questionnaires themselves. Now, this person, we may be able to go and actually find out that it may be just one person who's just missing off this quite critical information, and thus we need to find this out immediately to go and set them right. So let's do NA NA. We're going to make a new file, and we're going to have our NA uniform. We're going to pipe stuff. Then we are going to filter gender equals. Now, whether it's blank or not, let's give this a go. Maybe nothing will actually happen. Maybe it has to be NA. We have NA. It shows there are no blanks because the blanks were taken out. So, instead of that, let's put in NA, which is what they look like. Uniform, they look like NAs. So let's do that again. Let's see if that works. No is the short answer. When I was talking about strings here, NAs act as something different. Thus they are not a string. They are a category. Thus should be treated as such. Gender equals NA. This should show one observation, and it doesn't. Filter equals NA. Instead of doing this, perhaps we may not need that. We can put is.NA, put a bracket, close the bracket. Let's give that a go. Yes, it works. We can see that this is the one with the gender 22 thing 1. Let's check that uniform. 22 thing 1. Ah, that is just beautiful. So that is how you do that. Now, in a case where maybe you want to make another variable. No NA uniform. No NA, sorry. No NA gender uniform. Cool. Cool. And we're gonna do NA uniform. And what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to try and exclude by doing a filter is not, gender is not equal to NA. Perhaps this will work. Why won't you work? Let's What's it doing, eh? Use NA. Okay, so that doesn't work. Booey. So, the one above worked, so let's do is dot NA. They're the same thing. However, maybe this exclamation thingy will work. Because that says is not, like the opposite. So it is not is NA. If that makes sense. Yeah, that works. So it should be 10 observations. Skidoosh! There is nothing that looks like an NA in this document. Ah, that's... Oh, well, I learned something teaching this video. Alright. Yeah, that's... So, filtering to go and make your document perfect. Alrighty then. Let us move on to the next document. Or video. In my world, I'm doing this like section by section, but you're probably seeing this as like a continuational video